Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to be going over a testimonial for an advanced Bing Ads training course member. So this particular course member sent me an email a few days ago about how they got their first ClickBank sale, and I decided to kind of go over it, and I also asked him a few questions, a few pieces of advice that he would like to give to other newbie affiliate marketers so that they can potentially reach their first ClickBank sale as well. So with that being said, let's dive on in. I'll go over the very first email that I got. So it reads, Cody, I got a sale today. I've been working hard for the last 5 days because for some reason I was unable to direct link to the offer on ClickBank, so I had to make my own landing page. Using your Bing Ads advanced training course and all the tactics that you teach, I added the call out extensions and the site link extensions. So right away, I want to point that out. That is big time. A lot of people don't take advantage of the call out extensions, and they only take like a few minutes to create, and it gives you more Bing Ads real estate. Same thing with site link extensions. They actually give you more Bing Ads real estate, meaning they take up more space on the search engine results page. So right away, that is good to see that this guy is utilizing the call out and the site link extensions. So good job there. I was able to run out of my budget before 10 p.m. CST time. I'm extremely happy because I know that the campaign can be profitable. I only spent $39 and my commission for the offer was $33. A lot of newbies, when they see these numbers, they'll be like, well, technically he lost $6. But you can't look at it like that. You have to throw out some test campaigns to see if you can generate sales and get close to break even, because those campaigns are the ones that you can potentially scale, because once you're running it, you're going to lose money to find out what keywords are working for you. And then once you start finding the winning ads, the winning keywords, the winning site link extensions, the winning call out, the winning network, all that stuff, once you start to find out what's working, you can focus all your budget on the winning aspects of the campaign and make it profitable. So don't think of a $6 loss as bad. Think of it as potential. So continuing, this is a great training lesson, and I'm so happy that I decided to pick up your course. Thanks for the thorough and in-depth training that you have given in that course. And I just want to say you're welcome. I take pride in how I teach. I like to get down to the nitty-gritty and provide a no fluff course. I don't like to just talk. I like to show you how I create my campaigns and how I get campaigns profitable, and that's it. I like to be as thorough as possible. Okay, so and then he included the screenshot. So it was the week of 2020. Oops, I thought I was on my pen. So 2020 06/30, and the sale was $33. So that's very exciting stuff. For those of you who haven't made a sale yet with affiliate marketing, that is one of the best things, the best feelings you can ever have, is to log into your ClickBank or any affiliate network and see that you've made a sale, because then you start to see like how real this can be, and it's just one of the most exciting things. And those of you who have made sales before, you guys know the feeling. I'll never forget the first day I logged into ClickBank and saw that I made a sale. It was the best day ever. So thanks again for responding when I did reach out and asking for help. And that is one thing I want to point out. If you guys need help, you can reach me on Facebook. You can shoot me an email. I also have Skype. So if you guys have any questions about Bing Ads, feel free to reach out. I've been pretty busy lately, but I always try to at least respond within 1 day to 2 days. So then I wrote back and I was like, hey, blank. I'm going to block out his name and email just for privacy reasons. Congrats on making your first sale. That's very exciting. Now can I ask you a couple questions to help other affiliate marketers that are new to the game? I mean, it's one thing for me to just preach at you on what you got to do to make money, but it's nice getting a new aspect from a Bing Ads training course member who went through the whole thing and got his first sale. Like, he might have different opinions on what works. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to ask you 2 questions just to help out other people. So I asked him, in your own personal experience, what was your biggest challenge getting your first ClickBank sale, and how'd you overcome it? Then my second question was, what is one piece of advice you'd like to give to a newbie affiliate marketer looking to make their first affiliate commission? Thanks, Cody. And he responded pretty fast, and he went above and beyond with his response, so that was really awesome. So to question 1 about what was your biggest challenge, he said, I must have watched your course videos maybe 3 times to fully understand what I was doing. On the 4th time I was watching your videos, I set up my campaign step by step along with you in the video. And right there I want to point out, whether you purchase the Advanced Bing Ads Training course or any other like affiliate marketing training course, as you're watching the course, I always recommend to set up a campaign alongside while they're teaching. I've purchased so many affiliate marketing training courses, and I made the mistake right away in my journey to just watch the whole course content, hours and hours of content, and then at the end I feel so overwhelmed and I'm like, oh, so now I gotta make a landing page. Oh crap, what lesson was that? It's just so much easier to pause the training as they're going along and set up your whole campaign with the people. I highly recommend you do that if you get my advanced training course. And he figured that out after 3 times of watching the training, and that's totally fine. But setting up the campaign as you're going through the training is the best way to learn. I think direct linking in Bing has changed ever since the update, so I had to do some research and found out another way to use direct linking option again by updating some settings in my Bing account, and that's true. They have parallel tracking now. I ran into an issue with that a few weeks ago, but it's a simple fix and it looks like he has it down. Here's how I did it. Inside of your Bing account on the left hand side at the bottom, click on Shared Library, then go to the account level options and you will see View URL options. After that, you'll want to click the checkbox where it says Parallel Tracking and turn it on. And that's all you really need to do to get through that little error. To finish answering your question, I was determined to make this work. Whoever picks up your program and doesn't see results, they are not putting in enough effort or asking you the right questions to help you. I want to say that one more time. If you don't see results, they are not putting in the effort. I don't know how many people have purchased my training course and they'll do everything right. They'll set up a campaign with me step by step. But if their first campaign ends up being a loser, they'll reach out and say, Cody, I followed your training step by step, and it's just not working. What can I do? And I always say, well, how many campaigns did you try out? And they always, 100% of the time, they say, I set up 1 campaign. It's like, dude, you can't just set up 1 campaign and expect to just start rolling in the dough. No, you got to keep testing offers, find your winners, and then hone in on the winning aspects and scale. It's pretty easy. But definitely the effort part, I couldn't agree more with that. They are not putting in enough effort or asking the right questions. And I am always available to reach out to whenever you guys have questions with Bing Ads. So that was a very good detailed answer for my question. So next, what is one piece of advice you'd give to a newbie? And he responded, learn how to do this process first with Bing Ads, and it'll make it easier to advertise using other paid traffic sources. That is gold advice right there too, because in my Bing Ads Advanced Training course, I show you how to set up a landing page, how to set up email integration, and then how to set up your autoresponder series. And if you have a campaign that's doing good, getting leads on Bing Ads, you could maybe edit a few things and transfer it to Facebook ads. Because with Facebook ads, you'll be able to scale it a lot harder than you can with Bing ads just because the volume is so much higher on Facebook. So that is a great piece of advice. If you can make your campaign successful on Bing, you can do small tweaks to make them successful everywhere like Google, Facebook, and Pinterest. So I couldn't agree more with that. That was great advice. Everything is a process. If you learn the process and take your time, you will be successful. It's like starting a new job. You might not know how to do it at first, but over time, as you continue to do your job and learn the basic techniques of that job, you will get good at it. That is the same for this Bing Ads Advanced course. So that is a smiley face. I totally agree with that. I'll actually take that out. But yeah, that's a perfect explanation. Bing Ads is like starting a new job. You got to get used to the tracking and setting up your ads. It's going to be uncomfortable at first because if you're a newbie, you've never done it before. But once you keep at it, you'll start getting used to it and pick up on things, and you'll start to see what works. Then he ended it with, Cody, I hope those answers can help someone. Thanks again. I'll stay in touch with you. I do have some questions, but first I want to run a couple of tests before I ask them, and reach out to me whenever you want if you're watching this video. I am always available. I told you I enjoy how you teach and how organized you are, so I'm just trying to take my time in organizing everything before I run this next test. but I will keep in touch with you. Talk soon. Thanks for providing great value in your course. So I want to say thank you for doing such a detailed question and answer response with that email. I hope this helps some of you newbie affiliate marketers to get like an inside look of someone who went through my affiliate marketing course and actually made their first sale. So I hope you learned something. And lastly, if you are interested in getting my Bing Ads Advanced Training course, the cost is $297, which is relatively cheap because there's a lot of other courses out there that sell for $997 that don't provide half the amount of value that I give you in this training course. I'm not trying to sound whatever, but that's just the truth. I've bought so many $1,000 training courses and didn't learn squat, but there's a lot of value in this $297 course. And if you can't afford that, that is totally fine. I understand times are tough, especially right now with the corona crisis going on. I know everyone has been affected by this, and $297, if that's too much for you, I do have some other great resources like this Bing Ads and Max Bounty case study. I show you a direct linking case study, direct linking to a Max Bounty offer called Tinnitus 911 that pays out $80 per conversion. So in this case study, I show you how to set up a Bing Ads campaign A to Z. How to set up your tracking link, how to set up your ads, do keyword research, etc. And I set it up live with you guys. And then it resulted in $160 on the very first day the ad campaign got approved. That's so rare to see training like this for free. So the link for this will be in the description, or you can click that little I button up in the top right corner. And then my newest case study that I just came out with a few weeks ago is a Bing Ads and ClickBank case study. So this is a 10-part series basically showing you how I set up my direct linking campaign tests on Bing Ads. So there's 10 parts. There's a lot of great value in here too. So this is also free, and then the link is in the description as well. Or you can click the I button up there to watch the ClickBank case study 10-part playlist. So that is it for this video. I hope you got some value out of this. I just want you to know that Bing Ads, or Microsoft Advertising now that it's called, I still like to say Bing Ads, it is still very relevant in 2020, and you can make your first online commission. So lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, come on, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.